Hi friends, welcome to Fit Job. No drama, no click, only jobs. So I hope you all guys are doing well and you are taking your health care. Okay. So I hope you will sure you concentrate on your fit, how you can fit and you can do the exercise regularly. Okay. That's why you should not only looking for the job, you should also fit in your health, in your body should be sound, your mind should be sound. Okay, so if you fit, you can eligible for any job. Okay, that's why my purpose first, your health is your asset. Okay, health is the wealth. That's why, so that's why my channel name is the Fit Job. If you are not fit, so there will be no point of information of the job posting or the job uploading if you will not feel good. Okay, so first focus on your health in this corona lockdown. First care yourself and your family also, then after that what are you getting the time, so you should spend for getting one job, or you can you can think for your business startup or anything. Suppose if you are looking for the job, this is the right thing, this is the right time when you can means build up yourself. Okay, so before start to this session, it's a very interesting session. I will means I am going to cover one, means it's a lucrative job actually, so it's will really helpful and I will guide step by step. Okay, so before start my video, I can say I have the two channel. One is Visionary Rajesh. Visionary Rajesh is for the educational purpose, for the public awareness purpose, for the educating the youth, for the motivational purpose. Okay, and second one is the Fit Job. Okay, it's for only the job purpose, all the government, private, online earning. So how you can revive your job, all the job information you can get in Fit Job. And if you want to educate, if you want to get the alertness, public awareness, or different government policy agenda, so you can subscribe, like, comment, share to the Vision Rajesh channel. And if you want to the job subscription, if you want to job information, you can subscribe, like, comment, share and press bell icon, so that you will never miss my update information in the Fit Job channel. Okay, so I have the two channel. Okay, one is Visionary Rajesh channel, second one is Fit Job. Okay, so in this session I will gonna tell you the most interesting job prospect. One is the short notice period that will really help you for your job. Okay, so if you really eligible, then never lose this opportunity. So before start this session, this is the motivation for you. The motivation is said by the, you know, the from the picture. Okay, Swami Vivekananda. Okay, he said, takes risks in your life. If you win, you can lead. Okay, again I am repeat. He said, takes risks in your life. If you win, you can lead, and if you lose, you can guide. I can explain it. Suppose you should always take the risk in your life, because where there is a risk, there is a chances of the gain something. Okay, you will never lose anything, you can gain anything. Okay, so always you should have the possibility or ability to take the risk in any life. Okay, so डर के आगे क्या है, Mountain Dew. Okay, so if you win, okay, suppose you are preparing for the like the bank PO. Okay, suppose you are selecting, or suppose you are selected in the as a bank PO, so you can serve to the as a banker. Okay, to the customers, to the public sector, to the different investor. Okay, and if you lose, if you are not selected, so you can guide as a teacher, you can guide as a educator to the future aspirants, so that they will not repeat that type of mistake again. Okay, and what you did the mistake in your life, so that you are not selected, so that's the thing your people, your community, your students will never repeat again. Okay, because life is so short, and if we learn from our mistake, it will be very short span. Okay, if we learn from other mistake, then within short span of life we can do something more. Okay, so if you win, you can lead. Suppose you are selected, suppose you are win as a prime minister, so you should lead as a prime minister to the nation. Okay, suppose if you lose, so you can guide as a opposition party. Okay, you are always counter attack to the government where the government is doing the mistake. Okay, it's a guidance to the government where, suppose in certain cases the government is not in the state of the condition to decide. In that case, opposition are losing, or they are the loser, but they are the guider to the government. Okay, so in that case you take it as a life. If you win, you can lead. And if you lose, never disappointed, because you can guide to the people, upcoming future aspirant. Okay, the job, this is the job notification. Okay, the job is IED Odisha, Institute of Entrepreneurship Development Odisha, and Institute of MSc Micro Small Medium Enterprises Department of Odisha. Okay, so the website is iedodisha.nic.in, or you can google it, www.iedodisha.nic.in. so you can see this type of interface. In this interface you can see the project coordinator, engagement of project coordinator you have to select. Okay, you have to click. Okay, already as I have already the net off. Okay, so it's already downloaded, I can show you. So this type of PDF form you can read. Okay, all the details. It's regarding the Institute of Entrepreneurship Development Odisha, IEDO 123. Okay, Rasulgarh, Bhubaneswar. Expression of the interest for the engagement of a project coordinator. Okay, for the S40 cell of the IT Odisha Bhubaneswar, application are invited for the engagement of one project coordinator. The post will be the project coordinator to work in the S40 cell set of the Institute of the Entrepreneurship Development Odisha Bhubaneswar, a society under the Micro Small Medium Enterprise MSME industry. Okay, Government of Odisha. The application duly filled in the prescribed format should be sent by email. Okay, you have to send the email. Okay, the email is iedodisha87@gmail.com. Okay, iedodisha87@gmail.com. okay, the application duly filled in the prescribed format. Okay, as well as by speed post. You have to send in the mail as well as in the speed post. So you have to send in the both way, both mode of communication. Okay, one is in the mail system, another is by the speed system. Okay, speed post. Okay, so by the speed post at the address given below, the envelope containing the application along with all relevant documents. Okay, documents should be clearly prescribed the application for the post of whenever you are sending. Okay, whenever you are sending in the speed post, you have to mention on the envelope, this is the application for the post of project coordinator. Okay, in the S40 cell IT Odisha. Okay, the last date of submission application both in soft copy matlab like the soft copy means you have to send in mail. Okay, and hard copy is on or before. Okay, this is the most important thing you have to keep in mind. Okay, the most on or before 6 June 2020. Okay, 6 June 2020. June 6, 2020, 5 PM is the last date. For the details of term condition, you can visit website is www.iedodisha.nic.in. Institute of Entrepreneurship Development Odisha, IEDO. Okay, this is the short notification, and I hope you are eligible, then you can apply. Okay, so second thing, what are the mention? The term condition, interested candidate should possess the master degree. Okay, so before application are invited for engagement of one project coordinator post is there, work for the S40 cell set up an Institute of Entrepreneurship Development Odisha Bhubaneswar. The location will be Bhubaneswar, a society under MSME Department of Government of Odisha, a short term basis for a period of 1 year. Okay, the post will be for the 1 year. Interested candidate should be possess, your qualification should be master degree in economics, commerce, MBA with at least 60% mark, but minimum 3 to 5 years of experience in the field of project coordinator, project report analysis, promotion of micro small enterprises, and liaison with the different government offices on different schemes should be needed. Okay, along with a master degree in the economics, commerce, or MBA at least 60%, 3 to 5 years of experience in the project department, the project coordinator, or the liaison or MSME industries should be needed. Okay, however, the higher and meritorious candidate having additional qualification in the relevant field will be given first preference if you have higher qualification. Consolidated remuneration, I cannot tell you. Actually, the salary will be very much lucrative, 30,000. Okay, only for the month from out of the funds under the S40 scheme. The applicant should be the age between 25 to 35. Again I am repeat, the age limit is 25 to 35 and the last date is 6th June 2020. The job would carry extensive to different projects. You have to means visit to different places. Okay, over the state, the applicant on selection is work on the close liaison with the different implementing agency. You have to you have to coordinate with the technical agency, government offices also. Okay, the appointment shall be contract initially for a period of 1 year, which can be renewed depending on the performance, successful running of S40 scheme in the institute. The offer does not confirm any right of a job continue in the institute. Maybe it's not be regular job. Okay, but the thing is, if you are giving the satisfactory performance, it will be renewed further. Okay, the contract of appointment is terminable within the 1 notice from either side. Okay, the intending candidate may apply for the above post prescribed format along with all the self-attested copies should be signature in the all educational experience certificate by 6th June 2020 the last date. The institute to reserve the right to cancel any application without any concern. Okay, applicant receive after the last date will be not be considered. The last date is 6th June 2020. Okay, application completely respect along with the supported document you have to send to the I already said you have to send in the means what the speed post. Okay, the speed post is the address is okay to the Chief Executive Officer, Institute of Entrepreneurship Development, Odisha, plot number 123, sector A, zone A, Mancheswar Industrial Estate, Rasulgarh, Bhubaneswar 751010, and you have to send in the soft copy. It is the hard copy you have to send in the speed post, and in the soft copy also, because I already have said it's a two-way mode of communication you have to send, and through the soft copy you have to send in mail. The mail is iedodisha87@gmail.com. okay, by 6 June. The last is 6 June. Okay, this is the short notification for the government, and it is the Odisha government job, and the people who are educated and they are sitting at home, this will be the very beneficial if you have some experience along with your master degree. Okay, so this should be not lose. Okay, the opportunity will never knock your door again. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy this. I hope you will benefit from this video, and if you really think this video will really helpful for the youth, for the unemployment people, okay, it's my request, it's your duty and responsibility to share, like, subscribe and the press bell the icon so that you will never miss my update information. Okay, so stay tuned to the Fit Job, because Fit Job, it will be successful when you can fit by health, by your mind, by your attitude. Okay, so that you can get one fit job. Okay, if you not fit, you cannot get one fit job. Okay, so that's my purpose. I hope, and you will really support my channel, because it's your channel, it's my channel also. As a family member, your responsibility to share to all the people, so that my voice, my idea, my thought to the will reach to the touch to the other people, so that they can get at least one job. Because in this lockdown, if you really selfish, so you cannot grow in future. Okay, because it's the means the service to mankind is the service to God, and you are worship to the God if you not share. So if you restrict to particular to yourself, so this will be the not the right path. Okay, so take this. Okay, I am ending this video. Okay, take care. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bande Utkal Janani.